Namaste Yogis, hope you all are doing good. Today my topic is Sushumna Nadi activation for those who are really yoga practitioners. Sushumna Nadi activation. Sushumna Nadi, which is going with the spinal cord, and the activation of Sushumna is must when you want to go to the next level. If you're still with your postures, you're still busy in the asanas. Yes, asanas are the base, they are the platform on which you run. But in yoga practice, you are not limited to your physical body. So, asanas are very good to make your body looking very nice. But if you want to go to a spiritual world, this video is for you. So please stay tuned. I will come back with Sushumna. In my last video, I mentioned Sushumna. What is Sushumna? How does it work? So I will put one link here. You may check what is Sushumna. And this is very authentic information what you will get from Hatha Yoga Pradipika, from all those yogic text scriptures. So please watch the video full, you will get a lot. Sushumna Nadi activation can be awakened, can be rose in three functions. You have to prepare yourself spiritually, you have to prepare your body, you have to prepare your layers. You need to know 5 layers of your body: physical body, pranic body, mental body, your intellectual body, and then the bliss body. So what happens? Because Sushumna has that power, Sushumna goes to your spiritual world. So the preparation is required. And as I mentioned, three functions of awakening Sushumna. First is spontaneously. Sushumna could awake with your practices. You are in a posture. I will also teach you that asana which is for Sushumna. You can activate your Sushumna. So, as I'm talking about 3 functions, first, spontaneously, it may arise. You are in your practice, you are doing your asanas, you are doing that specific breathing. Sushumna may happen, but you should know when Sushumna awakes, what happens inside of you. This second function, how to awake Sushumna with the asanas. In Hatha Yoga Pradipika, it's written a yogi who practices PASCHIMOTANASA. I would repeat the name: PASCHIMOTANASA, forward bending pose. What happens? There is the movement on your pelvis, and the Sushumna, the residing point on your Muladhara chakra. On those 6 pellets, the Muladhara is situated. If you are a normal person, you are a very ordinary person, your Muladhara will be in a very low phase, means you will be only awake with your body, you will be awake only your surroundings, but you will never realize the ultimate, that infinite power. So you have to penetrate all these chakras. You are preparing for Sushumna, and as I'm mentioning this asana, Paschimottanasana, so I will show you how to practice Paschimottanasana, and please make sure you're practicing on that spiritual level, not to be only physical alignment or stretching. People mostly they practice this posture to stretch hamstrings and gastrocnemius. So we will go ahead. I will show you the preparation of this pose and try and put in your comments. Are you feeling some tingling or not? Turn your legs to the front. The legs are open, nearly 1.5 to 2 feet. You will check your back is fully straight. Your shoulders are aligned. First, you're checking your alignment, of course. And for Sushumna, you have to pay attention on your root channel. So in this whole working, we are not concentrating on the muscles, we are concentrating on that energy. So for this working, is same, you are straight. You will take a deep breath. So you have that prana. So what will happen? The one Muladhara chakra, it would be compressed. So what you need to do as you exhale, you're still doing your forward bending, but you're compressing. You're making that tingling sensation on the pelvis, on your Muladhara chakra. So as much you're following, you're moving forward. Stay there. So this is the engagement of your pelvis to the upper limb. Now to activate Sushumna, we will use the head with our breathing. So the same posture, you're straight, your back is aligned. Able to take a deep breath to lift up the head, and as you exhale, so we need to understand the functioning because the nerve that Sushumna we are talking on the spine, it's connected to this Brahmarandra or the crown. Hope you understood. With inhale, you lift up the head. With exhale, you drop the head. This is PASCHIMOTANASA Pranayama. We are not going to all. I will exactly show you which pranayama. And then a mudra. Second pose is Vajrasana. For Vajrasana, we will fold our legs. First, we are kneeling. Then we will go down over the knees. So we are sitting over the heels. What you have to do in this posture, the second pose is Vajrasana. In this, we will use Ashwini Mudra. Ashwini Mudra is to contract the anus region. Basically, we are opening Muladhara. We are compressing and we are releasing. So the anus region, we start to compress. And there is a practice with your breath. You take a deep breath. You release the prana from this physical body. Nothing to do, only to bring your attention on the anus region and try to contract. As much you are contracting this region, this zone, you will feel that energy. So nothing to do with your breathing. Whenever you need to inhale, of course, you will lose that part. You will prepare yourself for the next breath. You exhale longer, and again you practice Ashwini Mudra to contract the anus region. This is the beautiful practice. Your Sushumna will go in a proper alignment. Will not get this kind of information. I'm bringing specifically how to generate Sushumna. Now the third practice, which is with your breathing. It's only this pranayama you bring in your practice and recognize. Your left nasal is Ida, the right nasal is Pingla. When you can open both of them, you are capable of using both nasal at the same time to breathe, then your Sushumna is definitely active. Basically, it's a good homework for you to know, to understand which nasal is active. There will be three things. Both can be blocked, especially in winters, as we feel our nasal is blocked. Second could be only one is active. Maybe left could be dominant or the right is active. Or if you're an advanced practitioner, you will find your both nasal will be active. So I'm giving you that specific pranayama can activate your both nasal. So as you find, for example, your left is active, what you do, because you have to activate right, you close your left nasal. You only practice to hit the right nasal with your prana. When you exhale, inhale to exhale. So right in, left out, because we are working on the right nasal to activate. What are we doing? We are trying to hit. So try to do it at least 10, 15 rounds. You're trying to open the passage, and then for 2 minutes, only 2 minutes practice Nadi shodhan. Nadi shodhan means you're purifying your respiratory system. So the same for Nadi Shodhan, you will inhale with any nasal. Basically, we start with the left, exhale with the right, inhale through right, exhale with left. So try these three things. I showed you the posture, I showed you the mudra, and I showed you this pranayama. Try these three things. I'm very confident. I'm giving you that assurity. You will go ahead to find your Sushumna. Still, if you would have any confusion, please contact, please write, please put the comments so I would know and I would try to help you. And if you like the video, please press the like button. If you're a new person, don't forget to subscribe because this kind of authentic information you get here. For now, thank you so much for watching. Namaste.